In this video, I will show you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to disable automatic updates, of course, this can be quite annoying sometimes. The process is pretty easy to do. What you want to do from your Windows 11 desktop is come down to your search box at the bottom in your taskbar and type Services, just like this. Underneath Best Match, you should see Services come up. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open up a window like this. So what I'm going to do is make this full screen so it's easier to see, and from here you just want to scroll down this list. It's in alphabetical order, but what you want to do is scroll down to W, so right down towards the bottom, and you want to search for Windows Update. So you can see that's just here. Now once you've located Windows Update, double click onto this, and that's going to bring up a window like this. And what you need to do where it says Startup Type, you want to change this from manual, so you want to click onto this box and change it to disabled. Then what you want to do is click Apply and OK at the bottom. After doing this, double click again to open up the window, and what you need to do is come up to the tabs at the top and click onto the Recovery tab. Now on here where it says First Failure, you want to change this where it says Restart the service to Take No Action, and once you've done that, again click Apply and OK. Now there's just one final thing we need to do to fully disable automatic updates. So again, what we're going to do is double click to open up the window, and you want to check the service status on here. So mine currently says stopped, but yours might say running or something like that. So if it does say running, you just want to click the stop button. Again, after doing that, make sure to click Apply and OK, and as long as the service status says stopped and you follow the steps in this tutorial, you would have successfully disabled automatic updates on Windows 11. So that is how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.